Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Before the break, our news team visited the Spanish Town Hospital's isolation ward. Now, while they were there was one patient who was eager to tell her story. Janella Precious has that report.
At the time of this interview, Rondalyn Newman Henry said she'd been a patient at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine for a week she will never forget.
I never know I would have it, and I never know I would end up in here. You cannot take COVID for a joke. God made me make it touch me, to make people know, say, COVID real.
She lives with her daughter and granddaughter, but according to her, how she got COVID remains a mystery.
I don't mix with people. Not in the church, I go. I go online service. You're the Eagle Eye, Pentecostal, online service. And I don't know how I can buy it. I don't invite people in my home. But I just got to do the test in the knee, and I do the X-ray, and they swab me same time on the outside of the door. And they get the phone calls and I have it.
She said it was always her intention to get vaccinated, but she's interested in a particular brand.
I don't have a problem with it if I get the good one. As me tell my niece, maybe take it.
For days, she struggled to breathe, but says she was determined to live.
You have to push yourself. You have to eat. It made me feel kind of weak first. And then the nurse said, I have to push now. I bathe myself. I eat, my father, my daughter send me cook food. So I help my body to heal.
The worst part of being in an isolation ward, she further added, is seeing people die.
Oh my God! I tried not to be traumatized. It happened out there. Oh my God! I see the arch I push out. I said, God, what is the next move?
Now she's on the road to full recovery. She credits the healthcare workers.
They need better care. They not take things for granted. They take good care of them patients. They make sure they come in here to live. And they reach themselves. Sometimes you lie down here and watch them. Oh God, I take off the changes of clothes I do over there. They not scan you. Jesus. They need some better care.
As for the rest of Jamaica,
You have to wear a mask. You have to protect yourself.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.